Hey, Dave LeCallion with HeadGames Motorworks. Today we're going to talk about our latest CNC port, and that's for the Audi Daza. Now the Daza is known for being a horsepower powerhouse, but I think there is something missing, and that is the HeadGames touch. So we got our CNC port, bronze guides, it gets intake, exhaust, combustion chamber. We put a Faria valvetrain in it, and we have GSCs not available to the public yet, but will be soon. Their Beehive spring kit. Let's check that out. So what we got here is GSC made us a Beehive spring. Now this is the same Beehive that's actually used in the A90 Supras, and Greg was able to, or GSC was able to make it so we can fit it in the Daza. Now it's already a tried and true tested spring, and it's already made big power. And I think that's kind of what was missing in the Daza market is you have springs available, but they're only like 80 pounds in the seat and 180 open, and these guys are trying to make 1,000 plus. It's just not going to work. It's going to break parts. You're going to throw, I'm sure many of you who are making big power at this car have broken camshafts, have thrown rockers. Well, that is about to all go away with this. Just to show, this is the spring, and we're gonna put it in our Buxton spring tester. This spring tester tells us all the information, and we give it a go, and at 1,418 install height, at 10 millimeters of lift, I'm sorry, 11 millimeters of lift, we are 105 on the seat and 225 open pressure. That is 45 pounds open, more than every spring on the market, and it's 25 pounds on the seat, more than any spring on the market. So what does that equal? It equals control. We're gonna be able to control the spring, your rockers aren't gonna fall off, and you're gonna have to be breaking the really expensive cams. So I think you combine the spring kit, the Faria valve, and the HeadGames CNC stuff with our bronze guides. It is a package that will last as long as you like beating on it. That's it for me today. Like, subscribe, comment below. Talk to you soon.